Hi children, before class we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of 0 to 90 degrees of sine to cot, means sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosecant 0, secant 0, cot 0, like that. For that all we prepared one table also. Most probably the three lines remember 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, sine, cos, tan. When you are practicing problems, this table draw in margins and practice. Later prepare without seeing book. You have to write. Now we will discuss some more problems on this. Example 7. page. See, in triangle PQR, one triangle PQR given. Later, right angle at Q means angle Q is equal to 90 degrees given. PQ is equal to 3 centimeters given. PR is equal to 6 centimeters given. Determine angle QPR, angle PRQ. Same, PQR one triangle given, right angle at Q, PQ value, PR value given. They are asking the angles of QPR means what? Angle at P, angle at R. And diagram draw. PQR, Q 90 degrees. This you take Q and P somewhere, R somewhere, take no problem. PQ is equal to 3, PQ is equal to 3, PR is equal to 6. Like that. Now, this angle how much? This angle how much? First we will discuss about this. For this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, perpendicular. Perpendicular hypotenuse related ratio, what is there? Sine. So, I am writing sine R. See, R, from here you see. Sine, perpendicular by hypotenuse, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is equal to what? 1 by 2. In sine table, 1 by 2 where? At 30 degrees. Now 1 by 2 you got it. Instead of 1 by 2, I am writing sine 30 degrees. From here. See, sine R. From here. Perpendicular hypotenuse. 3 by 6. 1 by 2. In sine table, here 1 by 2 where means at 30 degrees. 30 degrees. This sine and sine don't cancel like this. Just write R is equal to 30 degrees. Q how much? 90. R how much? 30. So angle sum property what? 180. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Sum of angles in a triangle. So angle P required. Angle P leave it. 180 minus angle Q right angle 90 degrees minus angle R. What we calculate here? Angle R 30 degrees. So 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60. So angle P is equal to 60. P. Angle P is same as angle QPR. P should be middle. 60. R middle. Angle PRQ is equal to 30 degrees. Same. Perpendicular hypotenuse given. That's why I applied sine. Suppose these two given. Here I will not apply sine. Cos I will apply. These two given. Tan I will apply. That you have to observe. Okay. Same eighth example. Most important sum. What given? Sin a minus b. Sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2 cos a plus b (1 by 2). Sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 given, cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2 given. They are asking to find the values of angle A and angle B. Diagonal not there, right angle not there, nothing is there, only this one. So observe that sin some angle is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 1 by 2. Yet for what angle? 30 degrees. See, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 means okay. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. But in place of 30, who is there? A minus b. So what to write here? Sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 means what? Sin 30. Like that, cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2. What degree? 60 degrees. Means what here? Cos 60. Sin cancel, cos cancel. From this, a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Add 2a is equal to 90. A is equal to 45 degrees. Later, from 1, if you take 1, a minus b is equal to 30, a value 45 minus b is equal to 30, 30 transfer this side, 45 minus 30 is equal to b, 15 degrees is equal to. Okay children, very simple problem. Okay ma. So length not there, right angle not there, nothing is there, only sin a minus b 1 by 2 given. What to observe? From table 1 by 2 sin, where it will happen? At 30 degrees. So sin 30. Similarly here cos 60. So sin and sin operations cancel means a minus b is equal to 30, a plus b is equal to 60. It's a simple problem. Now done. Now, exercise 8.3 will discuss. First, we will discuss third sum. Very important sum. See, tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. And tan a minus b, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Then they ask her to calculate angle A and angle B. Just before some like only, same tan root 3. Tan root 3. For what angle? 60. So here what to write? Equals to tan 60. Here see, tan 1 by root 3. Tan 1 by root 30 degrees equals to tan 30 degrees. So tan and tan cancel means what? A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Addition you do, cancel. 2a is equal to 90, a is equal to 45. This you take one. 1. A 45 degrees plus B is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. Before some like only, very easy and most important. Not done. Same of first Roman, first one. Evaluate the following: sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. 60 30 30 60. See, sin 60 sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 3 plus 1 by 4 equals to 4 by 4, 1. Simple problem. Just values remembered or not there. I copied from here and take them. But you practice without seeing table, you have to write. Okay. Next one. Second one. Two tan square 45 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Same at 2 tan 45. Tan 45. 1. So 2 into 1 whole square cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. See, positive negative cancel. 1 square 1 is equal to 2. Not done. Same with third sum. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Secant 30 plus cosecant 30. See. Cos 45 1 by root 2 by secant 30 Secant means what? Cos 30 take reciprocal. Secant 30 is equal to 1 by cos 30. That means root 3 by 2 is there. You should take 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30. 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal 2. So secant 30 what? 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 2. So denominator irrational number should not be first and you have to simplify. For this 1 by root 2 by 2 common I am taking 1 by root 3 plus 1. So 1 by root 2 by 2 times 1 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 by root 3. Reciprocal taken means 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 into 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 take. Here one irrational number is there. That's why multiply root 2, divide root 2. Again here irrational number is there. For that root 3 minus 1 multiply, root 3 minus 1 divide. Same one. Root 2 purpose, multiply, divide. Root 3 purpose, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now, root 2 into root 3, root 6. Root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2. Here, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. That means root 6 into root 3 minus 1 by 4 into 3 minus 1, 2. Root 6 inside take root 18 minus root 6 by 8. Root 18 means what? Root 9 root 2. 18 minus root 6 by 8. Root 9 means 3. So 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Value substitution after LCM taken. Denominator irrational number should not be. Here one irrational number is there. To remove this, multiply and divide. Again here irrational number is there. That's why multiply and divide with opposite sign and simplify. Okay. See, secant 30, cosecant 30, sin 30, cos 30, reciprocal side. Note down. Proceed children, fourth sum. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cos 45. Sin 30 1 by 2 tan 45 1 cosecant 60 sin 60 what root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3 by secant 30 cos 30 what root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3 cos 60 1 by 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. Now see question. Sin 30 tan 45 cosecant 60. Last one what? Cos addition. Cot 45. Cot 45 means what? Reciprocal of tan 45 1. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 ones 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 2 2 is 4 3 root 3 by 2 root 3. Cancel. What left for you? 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Rationalization purpose 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. Numerator same is there, that's why 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by a plus b into a minus b 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square a square 3 root 3 whole square b square 2 a b 3 square 9 root 3 square 3 minus 16. Same. 3 square 9 9 3 is 27. 4 square 16, 2 3 6 6 4 24 root 3, 27 minus 16. So 20, 30, 37, 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 by 43 minus 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16, 11. Okay. Same in this one, last Roman. Fifth. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Simma 5 cos 60 1 by 2 whole square 4 secant 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3 whole square tan 45 1 square by sin 30 1 by 2 whole square cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. So 5 times 1 by 4 4 times 2 square 4 by root 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This value 1. Leave it. 5 by 4 16 by root 3. This is what 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 only. So 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1. 3 5s 15 4 16s 64 by 12 minus 1. 15 plus 64 minus 12 by 12 64 74 79 79 minus 12 67 by 12 67 by 12. Okay. Okay children, thank you for watching.